From the top of the top shelf up the back, that's 75 mil. If you just give one good plane across the top, they're both actually rough sawn.
I'll hold. Yeah, go for it.
No. Oh, here we go, you ready?
So this is A.
So that goes like that. Such a nice fit though, I just have to say.
Yeah.
You'd be pretty happy. And so what this is going to do is pull it in to your joint. It's looking good. I worked as a carpenter and a builder for 30 years. And then I couldn't do that anymore through injury, and so I began to teach. 95% of the time, if I'm talking to a woman, they will say that they wish they had been a carpenter or been able to do wood. You can just give them a tiny little bit of the sort of secret men's business that's never been told them, and they run with it.
My grandfather was a carpenter, and I used to shadow him around, and he would let me join in. He certainly never held it against me that I was a girl. I love just the feel and the smell. Just to be able to make something is very satisfying. 26 down. For me, measuring is a challenge. It's something I've always avoided until now.
So pushing that up.
Jo's a very good teacher. She can show you how to do something properly without making you feel small.
All right, so now that goes in there. Drive it in. Probably just a couple of whacks more.
I think I'm my own worst enemy. I could have been doing this for a long time, but coming here, I knew that I wasn't going to feel intimidated. This is now my third project. I am so proud. I've taken the photos. I'm going to SMS them to my husband because it just sits flat, and I'm really, really happy with this one.
It was better if you do big sweeps because you saw straighter. That's it. This is a Japanese saw. Japanese saws cut when you're on the pull stroke. I know what it's like. I know how easy it is to trick yourself into thinking you can't do something just because people are telling you can't. So to be able to create an environment where I'm saying, well, you can. I mean, what a great job. You know, like, what a great job to be able to come to work and make people be able to do stuff that they've always wanted to do their whole life. It's great. I feel really lucky to have this job and for this to be my work now.
It's a matter of confidence. I think we do get confidence knocked out of us a bit pretty early. There's no reason why women can't do woodwork and carpentry. No reason at all. It fits. I'm not surprised.